Hi.
How is the class?
Nice.
What are you learning?
Drawing.
What are you learning to draw?
Drawing.
You like drawing class?
Yes. I love it. And painting. It's very nice. I learn many things here.
Very good.
What do you learn?
I am learning blending, values and sketching.
Can you show what you're doing today? What is that?
Today I am sketching some pot and I'm shading it now.
Yeah. It's still life, yeah. Awesome.
How do you like the class, Vinay?
Nice.
How's the class, Anvita?
It's so good.
You like coming here?
Yes.
What do you like about the class?
I like doing like the still life and yeah, I like everything.
Everything. What are you learning right now?
I'm learning still life.
From a book?
Yes.
Can you show me which is the reference book? The front page?
Yeah.
Who's the artist, do you know?
Yes, Milind Malik.
Acrylics by Milind Malik, right? Hi Pooja.
Hello.
How's the class?
It's very good.
What are you learning?
I'm learning animal anatomy of a fox.
Animal anatomy of fox. All three of you?
Yes.
Hi. How's the class?
Very good.
How's the class, Briti?
Very nice.
What do you like about the class?
The things we learn.
What do you learn?
We are learning animals.
And then before that?
Perspective.
So which is your best artwork so far? What do you like? Do you have any painting of yours that you like a lot? Show us, no? So
Yeah,
this is your best work so far?
And what did you learn in this? Like, was it challenging?
Yeah.
So what was the main?
We used one color and did the entire painting.
So the entire painting is in single color, monochrome.
But you changed the light and dark parts of it, right? Great. Okay. Cool.
What about you, Sambhavi?
I like the class. I learned a lot. I learned values, perspective, and right now I'm learning about animal anatomy, where I'm learning how to draw the structure of a fox.
Very good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.